Hey everyone, welcome to Jeep with Jim. I'm Jim and it is Mod Saturday. Listen, today I'm really excited. We got an awesome Jeep Gladiator JT right here. We're gonna take out the tail lights on there. We're gonna put on some LED factory mark. Nice new low profile LED tail lights with the blind spot sensors. So let's get right at it. There's a blind spot sensor on our factory tail light. We got to take these 6 screws out, one right here, 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 and here, and here, and the blind spot sensor comes off. Then we disconnect this connector right here, pops right out. So what we're going to do is take the whole bracket out and we're going to pop off the connector. Then we unclip the blind spot sensor on one side and just hold it out. Here's our new left turn signal. We're going to go ahead and take apart the slot for the blind spot sensor. So we'll take the sensor carrier and then screw that carrier right in there. Like that. There we go. So we got them installed, took about maybe like 5 minutes on each side. Quite honestly, it's very, very easy installation. It was just a matter of taking out the blind spot sensors from the factory LEDs and putting them in here and then wiring it all up and then just connecting it up and screwing it back in. So really, it was really simple. We got the blind spot sensors in here. We're gonna test those out. We're gonna go ahead and show the function on the turn signals, the tail light, brake lights, the emergency lights, the reverse lights, and obviously you see the running lights are working. So let's give it a shot and see how they work.